Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide today will provide you with instructions to get rid of the fake software update alerts. These alerts are related to the website called Viehviw.xyz. Viehviw.xyz. It's a deceptive website that tries to trick people into downloading and installing some fake software update for Mac computers. The website indicates that you need to install some update for the Adobe Flash Player. And in reality, interacting with these fake updates may infect your Mac computer. Keep in mind that Apple doesn't use any third-party websites for promoting any of its updates. If there is any decent update available, you'll see a special notification in Software Update section in the System Preferences. So do not trust these fake websites not related to Apple, and do not install any updates that they promote. If you have installed anything like that, consider checking the list of your available applications, and if you see any items that look suspicious, move them to the trash. Also, consider checking your browser extensions. It may happen that sometimes the unusual browser behavior is explained by certain third-party extensions that could be related to adware. So if you find them in Safari browser, get rid of these extensions. As for fixing Google Chrome and other browsers, the principle is basically the same. Go to the menu in Google Chrome, click on More Tools, choose the extensions, and if you find any suspicious extensions, delete them. To make sure that your Mac computer is free of any other threats, I recommend you to check it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get its latest version is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and start carefully investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. However, the program has got some free features which are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. You need to wait until the program updates its antivirus database. Then click on Start Combo Scan and begin the research of your computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, the program gives you the detailed summary of all the threats that were found during the scanning. Most importantly, you need to pay careful attention to the antivirus section. So you may click on Antivirus tab and then click on Review Results. This will show you the full summary of all the threats that were found during the scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, whether it was the trial or the premium version of the program. The good thing about the trial and the premium version is that you are able to know the location, the exact location of each specific threat on your computer. So the application Combo Cleaner not only gives you the name of the threat, but it also shows you where exactly it is located. For instance, you may choose this specific threat, and then you may click on the special icon that says Show in Finder. So you'll be able to establish the exact presence of threat on your Mac, and you may right-click on it and move it to the trash manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove all these threats automatically.